Hi guys, today I'm going to be the chef. Today we are making Turkish dolma, and it's the one with the rice, so not the other one.
Yeah, what's the ingredients?
So it's 2 onions,
Chopped ones.
chopped, yeah. Half a cup of rice.
1.5 cup.
1.5 cup of rice. Some herbs like such as mint and stuff. Tomato,
Basil,
mint, and
whatever that you like.
yeah, anything else basically. Some tomato and pepper paste, salt, pepper, and paprika powder, and olive oil. Over here we've got the leaves, wine leaves, and you just leave them on water to like wash it out and stuff. And inside that we're going to be adding some sumac.
To give it that sourish taste, isn't
Yeah,
it?
like a sour taste.
And we'll try to use this one for the first time.
It's meant to be like a dolma roller thing. So yeah.
Let's see how it's gonna work.
Now all you have to do is wait for it to slightly change its colour. The colour you want it to change to is kind of like a goldeny brown. After it has turned into a goldeny brown colour, now it's time to put in the rice. Tomato and pepper paste. We are using this Palestinian sumac. We need a spoonful of it. So now it's time to wrap up our dolma. We're going to try and use this dolma roller. Apparently it's meant to be as easy as just doing that, just like that. But let's just do it. So I think what you're meant to do is, you're meant to take out your leaf. By the way, every time you're about to wrap a dolma leaf, you take off the stem, I guess. And there's always going to be a matte and shiny part. Always put it down on the matte part, so the glossy back bit has to be on the back. And I think now you're just meant to lay it down on here. Now all you're meant to do is get a spoonful of your mixture, but it usually depends how big the actual leaf is. So you put it flat down on there. Now what we're going to do is roll it up and see if it works.
Yeah, let's see if it's gonna work.
It didn't work at all.
Maybe we'll have to do from this way to that way.
Should we try it that way?
Yeah.
Let's try it the other way, because last time it was a fail. Let's see. Oh yeah, it kind of did.
Oh
Kind
yeah,
of,
that's nice. It means we had to do from the lower part, you know.
Yeah.
Look, there's a one upper. It means we had to do it from this way.
After you have finished wrapping your dolma, just put it away in a bowl. Let me add a tiny bit more. Okay, let's do it one more time. What? That was another fail.
We'll learn to do it, you know.
So as I said before, if you're gonna do it without that roller thing, then what you want
Which is
to
like
do,
kind of useless.
yeah, what you want to do, take the stem off. There's always going to be the glossy and the matte bit. The glossy bit has to be flat down, face down. And what you're going to do is get like a small spoonful of your mixture. Not too much, just, it usually depends on how big your leaf is. Also this one looks like a heart, so it's fun. You're going to put it right at the top. Just fix it up though. So gather it all up together. Get the 2 corners, fold it down like that, and then roll it. And then stop, and then you see the sides, you're going to put those in It's like making a tortilla wrap, but like a mini one, and then you roll it all up, and that's it. And then you put it away.
Show me. Perfect. That's it. We're gonna do it with hand, you know. That machine is annoying, so
Yeah.
maybe we don't know the way to do it, you know. So
Maybe.
we just have to watch some videos to see how they do it.
A life hack that you can use is just getting everything ready all out. So you just like however it looks right here, leave it like that, and then you can like just wrap it up, you know. After all your dolma is ready, what you're gonna do is get like something heavy such as a plate and put it above it. This is so the dolma leaves don't unwrap and like it can all just stay together. Afterwards, you're going to pour some water over it and you're going to let it cook. Some people, like my mum, like to have it with the yogurt, so now I'm going to go ahead and make the garlic yogurt.
Tiri is busy. She's making a food for us. Have you seen his sosu, Tina?
No.
No.
After that, you add your yogurt. Now you add a pinch of salt. And then you mix. If you don't like your yogurt to be too thick, you can add like a tiny bit of water to it and then you mix. Not too much though.
Yeah, we don't want to make ayran.
Here you go guys, this is the finished result. Let's try it. I did it all by myself, by the way.
Is it good? I have to try and see as well. I love your wrapping. You are doing better than me. For real, Tina. Well done. I love it.
I challenge you under 15s to try and do this all by yourself with no help. Let's see who does better.
Here you go. Challenge.
Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yes.